In this video, I'll guide you through how to receive an Interac e-transfer on Cibc. Whether you're expecting some funds from a friend or receiving a payment, this process is straightforward and efficient. Let's dive into it. To start, you need to open the Cibc mobile banking app on your device. It's crucial to ensure that your app is updated to the latest version. Keeping your app updated not only ensures you have access to the latest features, but also protects your financial information with the newest security enhancements. Once your app is up and running, go ahead and sign into your account. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring everything is correct to avoid any login issues. Now, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll notice a menu icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. This menu is your gateway to various banking features, and today, we're focusing on the Interac e-transfer feature. From the menu, select Interac e-transfer. This will take you to a section dedicated to managing your electronic transfers. Here, you'll find any incoming transfers or notifications waiting for you. Locate the transfer you've been notified about and tap on it. This selection will bring up the details of the transfer sent to you. Depending on the settings of the transfer, you might need to follow some on-screen instructions to accept it. This could involve answering a security question or verifying details to ensure the transfer is legitimate and intended for you. Once you've successfully accepted the transfer, the money will be automatically deposited into your Cibc account balance. It's a seamless process that ensures your funds are where they need to be as soon as possible. If you've previously set up auto deposit for your account, you're in luck. With auto deposit, any incoming transfer will bypass these manual steps and go directly into your account. This feature is incredibly convenient for those who regularly receive transfers and prefer an even quicker process. And that's how to receive an e-transfer on Cibc. By following these steps, you can easily manage your incoming funds without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the app or your local Cibc branch. Happy banking!